I started using WordPress more than 14 years ago, and in this video I will share with you my top 2 picks for the best web hosting for WordPress. I recommend DreamHost because despite some minor flaws I'll discuss shortly, the deal it offers surpasses them. The deal I'm offering allows you to get the shared unlimited plan for a year for just $0. You can take advantage of this offer because from my commission, I'll return the $35.40 you paid to DreamHost. Just make sure to use my personal link bensexperience.com/dreamhost, which you can find in the description below, and feel free to contact me at ben@bensexperience.com to get your money back. Now that you're aware of this current deal, let me tell you about my experience with DreamHost, highlighting what I liked and what I didn't. One positive aspect is that DreamHost provides a beginner-friendly interface. DreamHost made installing WordPress straightforward. All you have to do is click on Install WordPress under WordPress, select your domain name, hit install and wait a minute. After that, you will receive an email confirming your installation and letting you set your WordPress password. To gain the trust of your website visitors and avoid browser blockage, you will need to install an SSL certificate. Doing so is also easy with DreamHost. Click on Manage and scroll to Security and click on Add next to SSL certificate. The first certificate is free and enough to get the job done. Another positive aspect of DreamHost is that it automatically takes daily backups of your website. This feature is crucial, especially for individuals like you who frequently make adjustments to their online store. DreamHost also simplifies the process of creating a professional email address. It's a straightforward task. Just click on Manage Email, select your domain, fill in your information, and voila, you have your inbox ready to go. If you already have an existing WordPress website on another host and you want to move it to DreamHost, you have not to worry. DreamHost lets you move it without touching any database file, searching for FTP access, or experiencing downtime. I already explained that in a detailed video. Just look up for DreamHost Migration Ben's Experience. While DreamHost has many positive aspects, there are some not so good aspects to consider. One of them is the average speed. I conducted a split test comparison with Hostinger to demonstrate the difference. In the comparison, DreamHost didn't load up as quickly as Hostinger. Another aspect I didn't find favorable about DreamHost is the limited availability of support. The live chat option is only available for 16 hours a day, from 5:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. PST. However, I must note that the speed and quality of their support were satisfactory during the available hours. To get DreamHost for $0 today, simply click on my link bensexperience.com/dreamhost from the description below. Pay for a year of shared unlimited plan and finally reach out to me at ben@bensexperience.com to get back the $35.40 you've paid to DreamHost. If you're concerned about your $0 investment in DreamHost, rest assured they offer a super generous money back guarantee that extends to more than 3 months. This gives you ample time to decide if it fits your needs. However, keep in mind that if you want a full refund, delay redeeming your free domain to avoid it being deducted from your refund. Hostinger is known for its competitive pricing. For just $38.28 for the first year, you can create up to 100 websites. With servers located worldwide, including the US, Europe, and Asia, Hostinger ensures that your online website can be near your audience for maximum speeds. Despite being in the sector of affordable/cheap web hosting, in my experience and that of many others who have used Hostinger, fast loading is a noticeable and consistent feature. As demonstrated, my WordPress site on Hostinger still loads fast. Installing WordPress on Hostinger is simple. All you have to do is go into Auto Installer under Website, click on Select under WordPress, fill in your website credentials, click Next, then Install. There you have it, your fresh WordPress is ready to customize depending on your needs. To avoid losing your work on your WordPress website, Hostinger automatically creates weekly backups that you can download or restore from. If your WordPress site experiences a sudden surge in visitors, you don't have to upgrade your hosting plan. Hostinger provides a convenient solution. You can instantly increase your premium web hosting plan resources for 24 hours for free with just a click of a button. Similar to the ability to host 100 websites, Hostinger allows you to create up to 100 email accounts, providing you with the means to look professional and be easily reachable by your website visitors. The process is straightforward, and once you finish setting up your email account, you can link it to Gmail for convenience communication. Customer support is top-notch with Hostinger. The live chat support is available 24/7 and is quick to connect, providing great assistance. The quality of support I've received has been consistently excellent. There have been instances where they exceeded my expectations, such as restoring a database I had agreed to fully remove with the closure of my account. However, for tasks requiring heavy lifting, like uploading a database that exceeds the size limit, they suggested paying one of their team members, which costs $20 and $40. Lastly, the money-back guarantee with Hostinger is 30 days. As always, to avoid the deduction of $7.99 for the free domain name, delay registering it until you are certain of your decision. That concludes this video. Thank you for using my Hostinger or DreamHost link from the description below. I may earn a commission at no cost to you, so thank you for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hosting reviews.